ready to start the engines.
Taking course, full speed ahead. Helicopter, ready for orders. Attention, we have been noticed. Enemy contact on the radar. Enemy helicopter on the radar. Incoming missiles. T-traps engaged. Enemy helicopter on the radar. Reporting fire on enemy vessel. Incoming missiles. T-traps engaged. Incoming missiles. T-traps engaged. Enemy helicopter on the radar. Launch the flares. Left turn. MLRS standby. Normal launch torpedo. Enemy helicopter on the radar. Enemy vessel has been destroyed. Enemy contact on the radar. Reporting fire on enemy vessel. Target locked. Lock and load. Missiles ready. Vessel is under attack. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. Turret locked and loaded. Waiting orders. Eliminated. Right, full rudder. Lock and load. Missiles ready. Ship lost. Prepare for rescue. Heading right, 30 degrees. Missile silo, fire. Launch detected. 9 seconds to impact. The enemy ship has been sunk. Let's move on. Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Enemy missile detected. We're under enemy attack. Hits and damage reported.